Hi guys, as you can tell by the title of this video, we are going to be looking at wax melt and wax melt warmers today. So if you're new here, welcome. My name's Charlene. I am the owner of Emadore, which is a home fragrance company that I'm trying to build from the ground up. And if you are returning, welcome back. Basically, I did a video about a year ago explaining what wax melts are and how we use the wax melt warmers. And today we're going to go through it again, but I've also got an electric wax melt warmer, which I've never actually used. So not only am I going to be unboxing this with you guys, I'm also going to be using it and show you how you can use it also. So let's get into the video. So let's start by unboxing the warmer. This one I bought off of Amazon and it comes with a glass dish and a light bulb which I'll place into the unit and then I'll plug it on. Now I'll be honest, I've never used a wax warmer, an electric wax warmer before, so this is definitely my first time and I'm intrigued to see how it works, and we'll compare it to the warmer that I usually use with our tea lights. So as you can see here, we've got the electric wax warmer, and here we've got the warmer which is tea light operated. So the tea light comes like this. You can get loads from IKEA and you pop it into the bottom and you light it. So one thing to bear in mind is that these tea lights are not necessarily made with soy and coconut wax like our wax melts are. They may be made with paraffin, so make sure you have a look out for that on the packaging. Check the temperature, 60, and actually wax starts to melt at about that temperature, and this is at 118 degrees already. So obviously this is warmed up a lot quicker than this one. As you can see, this makes a lovely sort of shadow pattern on your surfaces. We're gonna do rosewoods, which I absolutely love. This is currently on our website. We do have our smaller wax melts as well. These are the 4 clamshell wax melts, and this is Snow Queen. This is also on our website, but this will be taken down at the end of January. So we're going to go ahead and open our rosewoods. Comes like that. So we're going to put 1 cube in here and 1 cube in there. So whilst our wax melts are melting, let's recap on what wax melts actually are. Wax melts can be a famous alternative way to fragrance your space, especially if you're a fragrance lover like me. Wax melts are essentially scented pieces of wax, similar to the wax that you might find in candles. And when they are gently warmed, as you can see, they melt and they release this fragrance into the air. So basically, to use them, all you need to do is place a piece into the dish of the warmer or the burner and allow the scent to slowly fill the air. Now, the reason why wax melts are preferred is that they provide a flameless alternative, but I like them because I get bored easily, and having a range of wax melts means that I can easily and cheaply swap them around to the scent that I want at that time, and they are a lot cheaper than candles. So guys, it's been about 20 minutes that this has been burning for, and as you can see, the wax melt in the tea light burner has fully melted and the wax melt in the electric wax warmer is still melting, which means the wax melt in this one will probably last longer but won't be as stronger as this one here. So I'm just going to check the temperatures quickly. That one's at 97.2 and that's at 47.6, which is probably why it's melting a lot slower. But I guess from this one, what you still get is a really nice light from it. The only thing is that this one, it uses electricity and this one, it uses a tea light. So it really and truly comes down to your preference. Now I really wanted to give a sense of what it actually looks like in the room, and as you can see, this electric wax warmer really gives off this really nice glow and this really nice shadow, and actually I really like it. I think it's quite cute, and you can kind of get the same aesthetic as you would with candles, but without the flame. And this is what the tealight wax warmer looks like. As you can see, it still gives off a cozy feel and a bit of a glow, but it's definitely not as bright as the electric wax warmer, but it is stronger, so you definitely get a stronger scent throw with this wax warmer. So yeah, obviously the scent is quite strong in the air. That's what our wax melts are all about. And what I'm going to do is I'll just continue to leave it burning. I might separate them, put one into the bathroom and one into the kitchen. But before you go, what I wanted to show you is what to do once your wax melt has no scent left at all. So basically you can continue to burn this wax melt, but what will happen is the wax will remain, but the scent will dissipate into the air completely. So if you get to the point where you're no longer smelling your wax melt, this is what you can do in order to clear it out and change it to a new one. So what you can do is just add some tissue or some cotton wool into the liquid. Be careful not to burn yourself, and basically soak up all of the liquid. Until it's completely gone. And then what you can do is go ahead and put in a completely another scent, which is why sometimes I prefer wax melts over a candle. You've also got the option of using this wax warmer as just a normal light. If you remove the dish, then you can use this as a light rather than a wax warmer, and I think that's brilliant. So guys, thanks for watching, and if you've enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe, to like and to share if necessary, and I shall see you in the next one. Bye. That's good. Wait, I need to sneeze.
Hi, my name's Charlene, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I own a business named Emadori, and if you're not, then welcome back. So today...
Hello, my name's Charlene.
Nope.
Oh, hello.
Who says that?
I don't know, I can't do this.
Just...
Hi. No. Hello. Hi. No. Hi.
Yeah.
Hi. I can't do it.
You can, it's so easy.
I know, and because I'm overthinking it.
Just pretend that you're acting.
Hi guys. As you can tell by the title of this video, we are going to be looking at wax melts. And why? Why?
It's the way you said that.
Hi guys.
As you can tell by the title of this video.
That's how I talk. I speak like that.
Okay, you do you. I'll leave.
Don't be rude.
I'll feed the cats.
Right. I love how Nora always looks. I love that. I just love that. I love how she always looks over to see what we're going to choose. Don't you think that's so cute? Hi guys, as you can tell by the title of this video,